In this lecture, we'll try to understand about the Oracle fetch clause. What is fetch? Fetch means retry. Fetch means select. So, in real-time production environment, you will have a tables which can contain millions of records. Now, you want to select some particular record. Maybe you want to select some 10 record, 20 record, just for the testing purpose. If you use select star from table name, it will fetch all the records. Let me take one example. See here, if I'm showing you select star from employee, you can see there are multiple records are there. Thousands of records are here. If I use this command, but I want to fetch only top 10 record so that I can see some testing purpose. I want to see that. So how to select only top 10 record? That is possible with the help of fetch. One more thing which I want to tell you here, if you take the example of any other RDBMS like MySQL database, there same thing can be done with the limit clause. There is something you may have heard about limit. So they will have an example like select star from table name limit 5. It means only 5 records are going to be fetched. But in the same Oracle database, that can be possible with the help of fetch clause. Now this is the example. This is the syntax what you can see. Fetch next the number of record you want to fetch, rows only, with ties also you can use. Let me show that. So what I'm doing, I'm going here, select star from table name. Let me check the syntax first. We will follow the syntax. Fetch next. Fetch next, then the number of count, rows only, only, ONLY. So by default SQL developer will fetch 50 records actually. Here you can see, but there are thousands of records are here in this table. Okay, now let me show you how you can fetch 10 records. So if you see here, the 10 records has been fetched. How it is possible? That is been done with the help of your fetch clause. So whenever you are in a situation where you want to fetch some specific record, not a specific, you can say that you want to fetch some limited record, that will be the right word. That time you can use fetch clause. This is really important, you know, when you have lot of columns. Even you can select the column also. Instead of star, you can select like name, email. So it will give you only 2 column information. So here you can see name and email. This thing only it is giving now. This is the importance of fetch clause. I hope this is clear. Thank you.